I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Astro A50 base and headset. This creates the initial radio link the phone will detect. Put the headset into pairing mode by holding the pairing button until the LED flashes. On your mobile, open Bluetooth settings and scan. Once found, tap to pair. You do this now because an active pairing state and charged devices reduce dropouts and ensure the phone stores the headset profile correctly for future automatic connections. Once paired at the OS level, make sure the mobile routes both media and call audio to the Astro A50. You can toggle these in each device's Bluetooth connection settings. Next, open the Astro Command app to check firmware and select the EQ or surround profile you prefer, because the app controls mic routing and processing that affect call clarity and latency. Make sure to allow any permission prompts so the app can manage audio profiles and keep the headset functioning smoothly. You finish by testing audio with a short music clip and then placing a call to verify microphone and audio routing. This shows whether the phone uses the headset for both. If audio fails or stutters, toggle Bluetooth off and on or remove and repair the device. This clears temporary profiles. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the headset and rerun pairing, because that eliminates corrupted settings and often resolves stubborn connection or firmware mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.